Welcome to the OSA Connect tutorial for agencies. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through creating a contract for a full financial audit to submit to the Office of the State Auditor. Let's get started. From your agency dashboard page, navigate to the View Contract Forms tab on the left-hand side menu. Then click Generate Form to open the contract data form for audits. This form is divided into 7 sections. We'll begin with Section 1, Agency Contact Information. Some fields may be pre-filled on your agency's profile. Please review this information carefully. Next, enter the agency head's name, title, and email address. The agency contact fields may be auto-filled based on your designated contact. If anything looks incorrect, feel free to update it. Now on to Section 2, Recommended Independent Public Accountant, IPA, information. Here, enter the on-site manager's name, phone number, and email address. Please double-check the email address. This is critical. If the email is incorrect, the IPA will not receive the contract for signature, which can delay your audit process. For the name of IPA firm field, begin typing the first few letters of your IPA firm's name. As you type, a drop-down list will appear with matching firms. You must select your firm from this list. Do not type the full name manually. The system only accepts firms chosen from the drop-down. In Section 3, Important Dates, enter the fiscal year end date, estimated audit start date, and estimated completion date. Each date field uses a calendar picker. So simply click the field and select the correct date from the calendar to ensure proper formatting. In Section 4, Single Audit Requirement, select the option that applies to your agency. Section 5 is pre-selected for you and requires no action. Next is Section 6, Fee and Hour Breakdown. Fill in the table using numbers only, no commas. If a row doesn't apply, simply leave it blank. For applicable rows, complete both the hours and cost fields. Don't forget to enter the gross receipts tax. Missing any of these fields may delay your contract approval. Finally, in the Additional Information section, enter the number of copies the contractor should deliver to your agency. You can also include an optional agency contract reference number and any other provisions. At the bottom of the form, you have 2 options. Click the red Save Information button to save your progress and return later. Or click the blue Preview to review and submit your contract. On the preview page, carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure it is accurate. This is your chance to catch any errors before submission. When you're ready, you have 2 options. Click Save and Print to download a copy of the draft contract for your records. Or click Save and Notify OSA to submit the contract directly to the Office of the State Auditor. After a successful submission, you'll see a green confirmation banner at the top of the screen. This lets you know your contract has been submitted and is now under review. Once submitted, click the Back button to return to the View Contracts form page. The contract will now have a status of Submitted. And that's it. Creating a contract for full financial audits is quick and easy with OSA Connect. If you have any questions or run into any issues, our support team is here to help. Thank you for watching.